Hey guys, welcome to Coding 101, and this is the 25th day of 30 days of code. In this video we will talk about running time and complexity. This is the input and output pattern of this problem. In this question we will be given certain number, and we have to determine whether the number is prime or not. There will be n number given, and for each number we have to print prime or non-prime. Let's come to the expanded view, and select Java 7 for our purpose. First of all, initialize the scanner class. Then take input for the number of test cases. Now take t number of input, and with each number perform a check, whether the number is prime or not. To check if it is prime or not, we will check if the number is greater than 2, and check if the number is prime or not in a separate function, which we will create later. Now, we will print prime, and in the else part we will print, not prime. Now coming to the second function, in this function we will check if the number is prime or not. This is the standard algorithm of checking if a number is prime or not. Now we have completed our code. Now let's run our code and see what comes. Looks like we have got an error in the printing part. The p and the prime should be in lowercase. Let's run out code again, and see. This time we have got our answer right, so let's submit out code. And with that we have successfully completed one more day of 30 days of code. Meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. But before going, if you like this video, please like it and subscribe our channel so that you get latest updates on time.